The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is shaping up to be a standout flagship device, expected to launch in 2025 with top-tier features and Huawei's signature design language. At its core, the phone is rumored to be powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, an advanced, in-house processor offering strong performance and 5G support, possibly an upgrade over the original Kirin 9000 series. The device will likely feature a large 6.82-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and a high 300Hz touch sampling rate, delivering a fluid and responsive user experience. Photography is a major focus, with a triple 50MP rear camera setup that includes a wide-angle lens with variable aperture, f/1.6, f/4.0, a periscope telephoto with 3.5x zoom, and an ultra-wide lens, all equipped with OIS. Backed by a 5,500 mAh battery, the Pura 80 Ultra is expected to support 120W wired and 100W wireless charging, ensuring quick top-ups and all-day usage. It may also include an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP69, rated water and dust resistance, and will likely run on HarmonyOS 5. With these features, Huawei seems ready to compete again in the premium smartphone arena.